not only connected to new buildings. The desire for intelligent building technology is also playing an ever more important role in the modernization of existing buildings. Here, the universal installation of bus lines often presents a great challenge. The KNX RF push buttons from JUNG connect the classic electrical installation with KNX by radio without batteries and absolutely secure. Whether it's switching and dimming of luminaires, moving blinds, or regulating radiators, depending on the desired function, the operating inserts are simply fitted into the appropriate system insert in each case. Thanks to the radio technology used, no bus lines are needed. The system is simply integrated into the existing 230-volt installation. In this way, the cost of modernization and the interference with the building fabric are reduced to a minimum. Directly after installation, the basic function of the device can already be used. The further configuration can be undertaken by your system integrator with ETS in the way familiar with KNX. Cover and insert are not specifically linked in the process. If required, the cover can also be linked with other inserts. The operation of the KNX RF push button reflects that of the familiar F10 push button, and thus fits harmoniously into the existing KNX system. With the smart Visu server, you have the additional possibility to automate your property and to control it with an app. In this way, the integration of other systems such as Google Home, Alexa, Philips Hue, or Sonos is possible. Thanks to KNX Data Secure, the signals are encrypted and your building is thus protected from unauthorized access and manipulation. You can also profit from the flexibility and get the maximum out of your building with the KNX RF push buttons from JUNG.